Hello and welcome to the Jack Demmer Ford YouTube channel. I'm Rob Demmer, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to correct your Ford sync settings so that there's no camera delay when you shift your vehicle from reverse to drive. I've had a few customers ask me lately as to why their sync screen was still showing their backup camera when they had switched their vehicle from reverse to drive, and I had to assure them that it was a totally normal Ford feature. The camera will automatically turn off once you start driving faster than 5 miles per hour, but if you want it to turn off immediately, I'll show you where in the settings to change that feature. So what we're going to need to do in order to change the rear backup camera delay settings is you're going to go into settings here, we're going to swipe over, we're going to find vehicle, and then we're going to go to camera settings. Now here, you have the options for enhanced park aid and rear camera delay. We're going to want to turn the second one off. So then once we exit out of here, and we put our vehicle into reverse, and then take it out of reverse, now it goes immediately back to the Sync 3 display. Make sure to like this video, and leave me a comment below if this has ever happened to you. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more Ford Tech Help videos.